guys. I thought maybe we'd do like a little experiment for fun, if you're up for it. So my thought here is that I would expand my aura, just huge, just literally like enormous, and see if you guys sense that in any way. My energy works really fast, and also energetically, I don't I don't like need to follow like all the steps to get to something. You know, like A to B to C. I can jump from A to Z very naturally, very quickly, and so with that, I can take my aura from where it's at to just, it's kind of like, I don't know, I picture it kind of like a bomb just going out. That's the visuals that I get. So I would love to know if that's how you guys experience it, or if you do experience it, whether you even notice it or not. But yeah, and if this resonates, I could totally, if you guys are up for it, walk you through how to do that for yourself. All right, let's go ahead and try this. Woo! All right, you guys can just receive however that looks for you. I'm just getting in my space here. All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Just gonna leave that there for a little bit, see if you guys notice anything, experience anything. All right, guys, I'm gonna pull that back in. All right, let me know if you noticed anything. I love you guys. Bye.